Text, LG. Life's good.
Troubleshooting leaking hoses on LG washing machines.
Home laundry room.
In this video, we'll show how to troubleshoot leaking hoses on LG washing machines.
Woman speaks on telephone.
Often a hose leak issue can be resolved without the need for a service call.
Woman unplugs the electrical cord.
Before troubleshooting, always unplug the washing machine from the electrical outlet.
Water hose attached to back of the washing machine.
Let's begin with leaks from the inlet hoses.
2 water hoses attached to the washing machine.
Leaks from washing machine inlet hoses are mainly caused by loose or misthreaded hose connections, slightly damaged hoses, damaged connector washers, or clogged inlet filters.
Inlet filters.
Now let's inspect the hoses and connections. Check if the inlet hoses are kinked, cracked, punctured, or have visible traces of leaks around them.
Cracked inlet hose leaks water.
Then look at both ends of the hoses, where they connect to the home valves and to the back of the washing machine. Check if they are wet at the end of the connections.
Woman adjusts the inlet hose connection.
If either or both are wet at the end of the connections, turn off the home valves, remove the inlet hoses, and check the rubber washers inside the connections.
Rubber connection inside the inlet hose nozzle head.
If the rubber washers are worn or damaged, find the same size replacement washers or replace the hose completely.
Woman attaches the inlet hose to the connector.
You can find replacement hoses on the LG.com parts and accessories webpage.
LG parts and accessories webpage.
If the hoses and connector washers look good, then you need to check the inlet filters.
Inlet filters on back of the washer.
A clogged inlet filter may not allow water to flow properly, causing back pressure which could lead to leaks.
Water puddle in front of the washer and dryer.
Use needle nose pliers or a similar grabbing tool to pull the filters out of the inlet valves on the back of the machine.
Woman uses pliers to remove the filter.
Then remove any buildup on the filters by washing them thoroughly with warm water and a brush.
Woman holds the filter under running water.
Replace the clean filters in the inlet valves and reattach the inlet hoses while being careful to thread them correctly.
Woman threads the inlet hose to the washer connection.
Then turn the home valves back on and check for leaks again.
Man turns on the valves.
If the leak continues, you need to replace the hose.
LG parts and accessories webpage.
If you've replaced the hose and the leak persists from the home valve connection area, contact your plumber.
A plumber wearing an apron and a tool belt holds a tape measure.
If the leak persists from the back of the machine, then the machine requires repair service.
A repairman discusses services with the appliance owner.
Other hoses to inspect. There are 2 other hoses you should check for leaks or blockages.
A hose on the back of the washing machine.
The first is on front-load washers only.
Woman holds a small hose coming out of a small compartment on the washing machine.
Check the small manual drain hose located in the access compartment behind the small door at the bottom front of your washing machine.
The small compartment at the front of the machine.
Have a shallow pan ready to collect the water.
Woman holds a container under the compartment as she opens the compartment door.
Then gently pull out the small hose and open the hose plug used for removal of residual water.
Woman pulls out the hose plug.
Allow the water to flow out. Then reattach the plug. Carefully reposition the hose and close the compartment door. Plug the washing machine back into the electrical outlet. Turn the power on and run the rinse and spin cycle.
Washing machine dial plate showing rinse and spin option circled.
Check that water is coming into the detergent drawer.
Pull out detergent drawer on the washer.
The next hose to check is on both front load and top load washers.
Split screen of top load and front load washers.
Check if the large drain hose that goes to the standpipe or laundry tub is kinked or clogged.
Drain hose at the back of the washer.
Note that when the drain hose is installed in a curved shape, the remaining inner hose water may create a blockage over time or freeze if the immediate environment is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Home thermostat set at 32 degrees.
Straighten and clean out the hose if necessary.
Hose is straightened.
Make sure water drains freely through the hose while the machine is spinning.
The empty tub of the machine spins with water.
LG recommends checking all washing machine hoses and connections periodically to ensure proper operation. If you require further assistance, please visit lg.com/LG
support webpage. LG. Life's good. Learn more at lg.com.